no matter what kind of material. All we can, mill it down and mix it. We are the leading brand in powder processing equipment. Mill Powder Tech. Inlet air vortex and adjustment of the gap between the blades and liners for high-speed crushing. Powerful crushing knife set for materials containing trace oils and fibers. Versity crushing grinding discs from granules to fine powder. Parts are easy to disassemble, wash, and operate. Combining the crushing chamber with a grading device. Perfect presentation of high-fineness materials. Batch quick change of material barrels to reduce cross-contamination. Multi-angle mixing achieves super uniformity. Air intake designed for dust collection. Double S-shaped blades enhance uniformity and mixing efficiency. Featuring unique transmission mechanism and W-shaped mixing chamber with waterproof and oil-proof panel. Internal and external parts rotate oppositely for mixing with adjustable barrel angle. Electrically and mechanically integrated with manual or pneumatic discharge adjustment. All products strive for excellence. Module design. Safety switch device. Rigorous quality control. After-sales service. From single machine to complete factory output, we satisfy customers' diverse needs with deep customization capabilities. Whether it's food, biotechnology, pharmaceutical, recycling, industrial, we can mill and mixing everything. Mill Powder Tech, your powerful partner for all powder solutions.